money, money, Jordan Belford. Stacking penny stocks while I'm flipping these birds. Sipping on Ciroc, trip 'em up with the words. I done popped a Molly and I think it's be my third.
What is going on, guys? You guys know we're going to talk about VWAP here. So I've got SPY pulled up. You guys know here lately I've been trading a lot of SPY. So what I'm just going to kind of show you is how I've been using it here recently. So with that being said, I'm going to identify VWAP here is the green line. That's just how I made it. It doesn't come up as green. I've got two moving averages, which I never pay attention to. I can probably go into my settings and if you guys want to do this, you just go to studies and edit studies, and then you can just move these. So, and honestly, look at that, perfect. Okay, so with that being said, I got that done now. VWAP, how do I use it every day pretty much, just to kind of have a confirmation of either a reversal or I know it's going in the direction that I want it to in order to not take profits yet or maybe cut a loss. So here's a perfect example of it. Pre-market here, you can see it stays above VWAP. I mean, don't get me wrong, it dips down for a couple seconds and then it does take a hard turn. But when you see the reversal of it gets above this VWAP. So that's how you can use it as a reversal and then pushes through it. Now here it comes to the factor of you're way above VWAP. So when I see these things right here and it's way above the VWAP all the time, I already know I kind of missed my entry. So I won't chase this trade. Even though it may keep going up and up and up, I would need it to break a support level. I would have to go way back here even further and try to find me a support level that allows me to have an entry once it breaks that. Now again, but that support level is going to be resistance first. Again, what is resistance becomes support. Hey guys, what's up? Just wanted to interrupt the video real fast. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and share with your friends. Let's get back to the video. Once it breaks it. So this is it falls down obviously after it hits this high. And as you can see, it comes down and it tests VWAP multiple times before it actually has this really nasty red wick here. But you can tell it also obviously didn't stay down in here because it's just a wick. It's not. This is a 5-minute chart, by the way, a 5-day, 5-minute chart. So you can see as it tests it, it does get back above it, and then you can see it just entry in here. Now the good thing is though is you could have actually made money if you saw that it breaks VWAP and then it comes back down and explodes through it. But the thing is, I don't see a clean chart here, or it's a clean chart but not a clean trade here. There's no reason, unless there was news down in here, which was very, very, very possible, I probably wouldn't have been making this trade, especially at 72. So if VWAP's here and I can see obviously it had right here, I would be using some sort of support. I'd probably, just for instance, we'll put a line in here, just how I look at it. So maybe right there, and then it obviously does not get above that. And I put that line here because you have one wick here. You can see it has trouble right here. It's got a wick here, and then it kind of gets over it, but then it goes straight back down. And then when it gets through it, you can see it comes down and hits it. It's got a wick on two of them, and before it ever actually falls through it. So now when you're going up towards it again, you really want it to break through that. So it's over VWAP, but you need it to break through that resistance. So when it comes back down and then it clears through it, that's when you're really good. And this is how I use VWAP, guys. I just use it kind of as, I'm always trading off of support and resistance, but I also just make sure that it's above VWAP or below VWAP. So if you're buying, for instance, if you're buying an option or buying SPY, you want it to go up, you want it to be above it. If you're shorting it, you want it to be below VWAP. I get all kinds of emails. Now, when it comes down to options, it's still the same way for me. So if you're buying a call option, I want it to be above VWAP or getting ready to go through VWAP. Sometimes I will anticipate it. If I feel like SPY is moving good enough, I will anticipate it and go on ahead with it. Now, when it comes down to a put option, it's the same way. Puts, we want it to go down, so you could have bought a put up here. As you can see, it tests this and it rejects it, and then it just falls down here at the end of the day, which is 100% okay. I didn't play any of this. I played this on Friday. With that being said, guys, it's a perfectly easy way to use VWAP. It's just, I don't even use VWAP as a complete indicator. I use it kind of as put you at ease when you're looking at a stock and you're like, oh, maybe it's coming back down, but when it's above VWAP, you're still good. Now, when the problem will become is when you have it coming and testing VWAP. Those are the moments you need to keep an eye on it and make sure you know what you're doing. But with that being said, guys, that's exactly how I use VWAP. Thank you guys for watching. Again, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.